Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's insanely basic, short and simple video, I'm going to demonstrate that you can close Microsoft Teams. So, in order to do that, if you are an iOS user, just drag it upwards, or should I rather say, if your device, whether it is Android or iOS, has the gestures system navigation, just swipe the bar from the bottom, or like the app edge from the bottom upwards, and once at the recent app section, just close the app by swiping it to the top like so. On some Xiaomi devices, I would assume, I'm not sure whether it's Xiaomi or not, but on some Android phones, you'll need to actually swipe to the right or to the left, not to the top. When it comes to buttons navigation, that's a very simple thing to do as well. So here I have my other Android phone. Just tap at the button that is responsible for opening the list of recent apps, and I'll swipe it downwards or to the right, to the left, depending on your phone. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.